Afro Z Assassin, back with another banger. And today, I got something in I've been toying around about. Let's get straight to it. I'm gonna unbox it. Basically, I'm intending to mutilate my freshly installed Nismo bumper on the Red Z. I don't know if that's a good idea, but let's unbox it, get straight to it, bam. And there you go. We're gonna unbox this. Hopefully I can do it one-handed bandit. If I can't, well, we'll figure it out. All right, that was past facts. So, I am a little unsure if I want to paint this gloss black and then just put some vinyl wrap red letters or yellow letters to continue my color pop that I'm doing. Basically, this is to inlet air in my front bumper, and we'll see how it goes. I think it looks dope. Let's see how it goes. So I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but I believe this, yeah, I can do it one-handed. There you go. Basically, I'm gonna drill a hole in the bumper, put this right behind it, snug it up, maybe put some silicone adhesive in here, and it'll funnel air, almost like ram, directly to my air filter. We'll see. All right, y'all. So, rather than destroy my Nismo front bumper just off one flip, I'm gonna do a test run on my old bumper. And I'm gonna drill out this hole with a 5-inch hole saw and go ahead and put this on. Yeah, I'm rocking some PJs and house flip-flops. I don't care. Anyways, I'm gonna get right to it, all right? So, if anybody out there is gonna attempt to do the same thing, what I went was go off-center because I wanted the spacing here to be just below that. I guess I could have came down probably another 1/4 of an inch to make it right on the edge of that, but I was worried about it being off here or here. Food for thought for when I go or move on to the Nismo bumper, and I'm gonna see how it looks, and if it bothers me that much being so high, then I'll adjust fire. And that's that. Yeah. So I'll smooth that out a bit and see what I got. So you simply just pop in this piece first, because the other piece, see if I can do this one-handed. All right, and then you adjust that. So really glad I did a test fit because that looks a little bit too high to me. So I gotta come down just that 1/4. Gotta come down just that 1/4 right on the edge of that for it to be how I want it. See, it sits up just a little bit too high. So I need it down there a bit. But I think it's gonna come out dope once I get everything dressed. Yeah, that, and the air pass through here, come out into my air intakes. Okay. I think that's decent. All right. So I'm gonna attempt to go right here. Just a guess. Okay. Oh well. Looks like I went too low, so I'm just gonna adjust fire and yep. And that's the finished product. Not too bad. Quick and easy. Yeah. I like the way it came out.